Today you're going to learn how to make these three simple, cute thank you cards. The first thing you need to do is to prepare your paper. You have two options. The first, shown on the right, is to cut a piece of white paper or cardstock into 4 pieces. The one on the left is by cutting that piece of paper in half, then folding it in half again. This is the first card. Start by taking 2 different colored markers, I chose purple and blue, and a black pen. Take your blue marker, or the color that you chose, and start by drawing an oval onto the card like shown. Then, fill the oval in by coloring it with the marker. Now we're going to draw the other parts of the music note. Draw a stem, which is a vertical line like shown, and then a little hat for the music note, so now it's complete. This step is optional, but you can take your black pen and outline the music note to make it look a little better. Then you can also add a little smiley face to make the music note look more cute. Next, let's add the word. Start by writing a thank you with your black pen on the card like shown. Then take your purple marker or the other marker you chose and write note. This is a little play on words. You drew a music note on the right, but you're actually giving a thank you note to the person you're giving this thank you card to. Then this is optional as well. Take a third color marker, I chose pink, and outline the border of the card to make it a little more colorful. This is your finished card. This is the second card. Take 3 different colored markers, one of them has to be red and one of them has to be green, but you can choose the third color, and a black pen. Draw a semicircle on the card like shown. This will be your watermelon. Then, in order to separate the green part from the red part, draw another little semicircle within the one you already drew. Next, draw some watermelon seeds or just really long black dots. And you can add a smiley face if you want to make it more cute. Next, let's move on to the words. Use your black pen and write thanks, a. Then take your third color, which is purple in this case, and write melon. This is supposed to be thanks a million, but it's a play on words because melon sounds like million. Now you're going to color in your melon on the left side. Use your red marker and color in the main semicircle. Next, take your green marker and color in the border, which is the green part of the melon. This step is optional as well. I took the same purple that I used and outlined the border of the card like I did in the previous card as well. This adds more color to the card and just makes it look prettier if you like the look. And that's your finished card. This is the third card. Take a red marker, green marker, and another marker of your choice. I chose blue, and your black pen. Use your black pen and draw a shape of a strawberry on the left. Then draw some leaves at the top by just drawing some spiky lines as shown. Then you can draw your seeds. This can just be dots throughout the shape of the strawberry. And to complete it, draw a little smiley face to make it cuter. Next, let's go to the words. Use your black pen and write the words, thank you. Then take your other colored marker, which is blue in my case, and write berry. This is a play on words because it's supposed to be very, but because it sounds like berry, and we drew as berry, that's what we'll be using. Then take your black pen again and write much. So it's thank you very much. Now it's time to color in the strawberry. Take your red marker and color in the strawberry as shown. Now take your green marker and color in the leaves. This is optional as said before, but you can take your green marker and outline the border of the card to make it more colorful. And that is your finished card. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you make these the next time you need to say thank you to someone.